What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Bert Collins, back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing, man. Make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you can stay tapped in with the channel. Man, we finally hit 200 subscribers. We hit that on New Year's Eve. So shout out, if you're new to the channel, like I said, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We are on the road to 400 subscribers, and when we hit that goal, then we will be on the road to 1,000 subscribers, man. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. My display case in the background, low key, is kind of empty because I just shot my top 20 pickups of 2021. I still need to edit the video and everything, but before I edit that video and put that video out, hopefully I can put that video out tomorrow, I got a shoe that came in. Technically, I bought this shoe in 2021, but I didn't receive it to 2022, so it didn't make the cut. But I do want to unbox it with you guys. My first pickup of 2022, straight from the good guys at Nike. You know what I'm saying? They don't got that just steal me tape or nothing like that, man. You guys know the vibes, man. Make sure you guys are subscribing to the channel. We're still copping. You know what I'm saying? It ain't over. We ain't done yet. We are still copping heat. Oh my God, bro. But yeah, man, I just shot my top 20 video, man, and it was fun shooting it, man. It was definitely fun shooting it. So you guys gotta look out for that video. It's coming soon. Maybe tomorrow or the next day. I just gotta, you know, like I said, I gotta sit down and I gotta edit that joint. You know what I'm talking about? But till then, I got one for you. Got the classic Jordan box. And the sticker reads, Air Jordan 1 Low SE white medium olive light curry. Wow. You know what I'm saying? You guys, I've been telling you, I'm really on my Jordan Low tip. I've been buying a lot of Jordan Lows. That's just what I'm on right now. That's just what I'm on. So let's open up the box, man. I'm not gonna take your time. I appreciate you guys, man. Like I said, I'm at over 200 subscribers. And I appreciate you guys for subbing to the channel, man. I really do. Oh my God. Yo. These are clean. These are clean. Yo, this is a good pickup, bro. All right, I'm gonna show you guys. Now, I ain't seen no other reviews of this shoe. I don't even know if there's reviews out, but you guys are gonna get one here. Bam! That light curry, that olive. This right here, this material right here is like a canvas or something like that. You got canvas on the side. You got a suede. It's like a rough suede. It's rough. It's not super soft or nothing like that. It's like a rough suede, kind of nappy. On the back heel, it's softer and a little bit more nappy than it is like around here and like right here and around the toe box on that heel. Super soft and nappy suede. You got the Air Jordan Wings logo in like a gold color. When you come to the bottom of the shoe, got that gum bottom. I love a shoe with gum bottom. I love a shoe with gum bottom because you can wear them and you don't have to worry about, you know, dirtying up the bottom of the shoe. It don't matter. I had to get this shoe in hand. When I seen they were dropping on the website, I was like, okay. Low key, this kind of makes up for me not hitting on them Curry dunks. You know what I'm saying? Low key. I still might even cop them Curry dunks. Let's check out the other shoe real quick. Wow. Bro, I'm not mad at this. I'm not mad at this, man. I'm on my Jordan 1 low tip. Try to get a nice close-up for you. Yes, sir. What you guys think, man? Comment down below. Are you guys with the Jordan 1 low wave? You guys rock with the lows, man? The tongue is kind of thick. See the inside of the shoe. Let's look at the inside. There's no extra laces. Take the shoe tree out. Got the Curry laces on the inside of the shoe. You got that same Curry insole with a white Jumpman. You got the olive on the back of the tongue. And around the sock liner, it's all olive. Shoe's fire, man. This is fire. This is definitely staying in the collection, y'all. This one's definitely staying in the collection. This is the first pickup of 2022. And I am not mad at this, man. This is the one. Look. My video's coming next, man. My top 20 pickups of 2021 is coming next. Stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you can see the video. I need your input on my top 20 pickups. I'm actually surprised that I picked up more than 20 shoes. There's a couple shoes I didn't even show. But you guys let me know, man. Get down in the comments, comment below, man. It's your boy, Bert Collins. I appreciate you for tapping in with me, man. Make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button, the notification bell. We're on the road to 400 subscribers, man. We want to get there before the end of the year. And if we really blessed, we'll hit that 1,000 mark, man. It's your boy, Bert Collins, man. I've already tapped in. Now I'm tapping out. Peace. Bro, I'm tripping. I just looked at the shoe, and they did come with extra laces. They also came with olive laces, man. That's, man, that SC, man. Look at that, bruh. Extra laces on the Jordan 1 lows. Fire pickup. Fire pickup. Fuego. Fuego. Muy fuego. Too much? Regardless. Fire ass pickup, man. It did come with extra laces. Super pumped about that. Yeah, man. First pickup 2022. Peace, y'all.